Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting 8.2. So objective 1 is express a vector in component form and find the magnitude of a vector. So the new vocabulary is component form, and the next one is, now you can see here there are the 2 points. This vector is AB. The points are A x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So this distance would be y2 minus y1 and this distance would be x2 minus x1. The component form of a vector AB with initial point A x1 y1 and terminal point B x2 y2 is given by x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. This is very simple idea. So find the component of AB. So what you need to do, write it as x1, y1 and this one as x2 and y2. Then use the formula x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 for the component form. So x2 is 1 and then minus 1 and then this is 3 minus minus 3. So x1 y1 equals to 1 3. So and x2 y2 is 1 3. So just now use the calculator. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So answer is 0, 6 in the component form. So this is the guided practice for you. So definitely we have to do the same thing. We have to find the component form of AB. So this would be 5 minus minus 4 is 9 and 3 minus minus 3 is 6. So 9, 6. So you can see the option is A. In this case, we want to find the distance or the magnitude of the vector in the coordinate plane. You know that the Pythagoras theorem tells you that v square equals to this square plus this square. So v magnitude equals to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If we have the component form AB, then simply you can do a square plus b square and square root. Find the magnitude AB with the initial point A 1 minus 3 and B 1 3. So use the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. Now put the values. So x2 is 1, so 1 minus 1 square plus 3 minus minus 3 square. So it would be 36 or 6. So the answer is 6. Check from example 1. You know that AB is 0, 6 and AB magnitude would be 0 square plus 6 square. Now the guided practice for you is find the magnitude of AB. The initial points are given to you and the terminal point is also there for you. So you use the formula and find out the answer. The answer is 7 in this case. You can use your copybook and work and find it out. In this now homework and is 8.2 page 497 question 1 to 9 odd numbers. This is the end of objective 1 and 2. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.